In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube not working on MacBook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, ad blockers, tracking shields, or translation extensions frequently misidentify YouTube videos, delivery code as tracking cookies breaking the media container. So what you want to try and do is, whether you're on Chrome or Safari, go ahead and press Command, Shift, and N. This is going to open up an incognito window, and then navigate straight to YouTube and attempt to stream any video clip. Now, if the video plays perfectly here, that means an active extension is breaking the player script. So what you want to do is flush corrupted site cookies and caches. So all you want to go ahead and do is, when I have Chrome open, go ahead and press Command, Shift, and then delete. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that right now, and it's going to bring me over to my delete browsing data area. So now all I want to go ahead and do is I want to press show more, and I want to just go ahead and delete everything where it says all of these different things. You just want to make sure cookies and cached images are all, selected and everything. Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then just go ahead and press delete data, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.